Hello and welcome back to the third module of clothing construction theory. On our last topic, we discussed textile science and fabric selection, what we're supposed to look at when selecting a fabric. On today's session, we'll be discussing tools and equipment that are used in clothing construction. We have classification of tools, which are cutting tools and equipment, sewing tools and equipment, marking tools and equipment, pressing tools and equipment, miscellaneous tools. On cutting tools and equipment, we have shears, we have paper scissors, we have the rotary cutters, and we have fabric scissors. Don't use scissors for papers to cut your fabric. That will make your scissors blunt. So use the correct tool for the right purpose. The sewing tools and equipment, we have the needle and thread when we have the sewing machine. On sewing machine, we have different sewing machines. We have the industrial sewing machine, the manual sewing machine, and the overlock sewing machine. On marking tools, then we have the tailor's chalk, thread, and tailor's mark. On pressing tools and equipment, we have pressing board, iron box, pressing rod, sleevage. We have the steam iron and the charcoal iron. On the miscellaneous tools and equipment, we have pins and magnets. Iron boxes, we have several iron boxes, which are charcoal irons, dry iron box, steam iron, and traveler's iron box. We also have storage tools and equipment. These are the boxes, the containers, the wardrobe, and the cabinet. We also have the shelves to place our threads and the materials. Now, let us look on the care and maintenance of our tools. Always keep the iron box away from water. Keep them in a dry place. Oil the machines frequently and cover the machines after use. Now, let us look at the sewing machine. The sewing machine is the biggest, or it is among the biggest equipment that we have in our workshop. So it has its parts, and every part has its use. First of all, let us look at the top thread guide. The top thread guide, it guides the thread through the needle so that the thread cannot get entangled during stitching process. The pressure foot on the fabric against the feed dog during stitching process. Yeah. What about